Hi, good evening, everyone. As per your audience requirement, I have created in a small, easy topic video. This video is the how to merge the vector layer. So you have to uh, storage in a different layer. So how to create in a one layer. So at first you have uh, to check the layer uh, who is the layer is merged in a one layer. At first you have checked in the attribute table to showing in a same attribute. So this is the easily to merge the same attribute value to transfer in a one layer. So I have in four layer open. At first I have checked the layer attribute table. There are many uh, attribute field here. So my four layer have same attribute field here. So I have to create in a merge in a one layer. So at first you have to click in a processing and then click the toolbox. When you have opened the processing toolbox, you have to search in a merge, merge. So you have shown in a vector general to merge vector layer. You have clicked in a merge vector layers. Then you have uh, put it in a input layer. Uh, you have clicked in a three dotted input layer. They are to be selected in the all layer. I have selected to select all layer. So you have to showing the all layer select. Then click the OK. And now which to output destination in projection CRS system. You have to select in your or output projection system. I have it selected in 4326 WS9824 selected. And then you have to store where the merge layer I have created in a temporary layer. So I didn't to save to the file in my local drive. So then you have to click in a run. When it will be processing in run, after that you have to close this the tab. And then you have to showing in a merge layers. Okay, so how to identify the merge layer is to created in a right. So at first you have to um, count features to your previous four five. You have to in your choice. So I have selected in a four layer. So at first I have to count in a four layer. So at first my first layer is 211 and second layer is 79 and third layer is 15 and fourth layer is 4. So I have calculated in a my file is 211 and 79 and 15 and 4. So there is total is 309. So after the March file to showing the features count, there will be showing a 309. So the marks in vector layer is the properly output. So this is the easily process, and you have to showing in the attribute table also here. Okay, so that's it, the very easiest to process how to merge the vector layer. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you so much.